Here's how to fix the application encountered an unrecoverable error. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let's follow my steps. Launch your browser. Once you're here, you can click on three dots at the top right corner. And here, choose Settings here. Once you're here, you can click Privacy and Security. And here, midway down, click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Click here. And here scroll down until you find See All Site Data and Permissions. Click here. And here find Roblox. And after that click on Trash button. Clear. Alright. Let me click on Search button and here type in Run. In the pop-up that appear you can type in %app data percentage and just click on OK button. And once you're here, you can click on App Data here, and after that click on Local folder. And once you're here, you can find Roblox folder. It's here, and just delete here. Alright. Once it's done, you can again tap on Search button, and here type in Settings, and click on Settings app. Click on Apps, and once you're here, you can again click on Search bar, and here type in Roblox. And as you can see, Roblox is here. You can click here and just click on Install Apps and uninstall. That's it. Click on OK button and go to the site roblox.com/download and click on Download button here. Once it's downloaded, you can start it and just reinstall your Roblox app. And as you can see, Roblox is successfully installed. You can click on OK button and just do right click here, Properties. At the very top, click on Compatibility, and once you're here, midway down, you can click Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click and just apply. Well, now you need to restart your computer. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Roblox. See you next time.